Hello guys, welcome watch today's video. In today's video, I will help you learn how to change the top speed of the meter. This meter is used for CR Electrovite AZ26, CR Electrovite RA-SE, and RX10. Firstly, we need to turn on the meter, and then you need to long push the up and the down button together about in 5 seconds. Now you are entering the setting page of the meter. You can push the up button or down button to change the page. And we need to change the page to the 0AP. Now you see we are on 0AP, and this page is setting the top speed. Now you can see the top speed is 25 km/h, and then push the power on button, and you can set the speed value of the top speed. And if you want to set the top speed to the 40 km/h, just press the up button and change the value to 14 km/h. And then you need to save the setting. Just long press the power on button, and you will go back to the meter homepage, and then you can try to test the top speed of the meter. Now the top speed is 14 km/h. As a reminder, please don't set the top speed above 45 km/h because it may be let your e-bike down. Thank you, that's all.